This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
Husna, Maria, Safia, Aditi, Fatima, Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
Sharu. I didn't get
Yes,
any
ma'am.
assignment from you people. You people have any doubt?
No, ma'am. I'll send it to you.
So why I didn't? You people are not sending me any assignment. So we will wait some more students to join. Actually, 1 second. I will check how are joining. Actually, what is the problem? Anybody facing any problem? Photoshop class. Why nobody sent me any assignment? Did you people did any assignment? You're not able to do it in Photoshop, or you're not able to understand, or anybody cannot download the software. What is the situation? Husna,
Ma'am,
you are facing any problem?
no, ma'am. I've completed the assignment, but I didn't know I had to send it to you like before or something.
What happened? I didn't get any assignments because I told you people, please send me by WhatsApp all the assignments. Please send me. We made a group, right? So please send me the assignment.
Yes, ma'am. Should I send it now?
You can send it by group, okay? But because I want to see like whether you people can do this designs or not. Otherwise, I have to explain it right once again. So anybody facing any difficulties? Aishwarya, Sharon, Sharon, you sended me the
Yes, ma'am.
work. Sharon, you sended me the work.
No, ma'am. I'll send it to you now.
Okay, so whoever did it, please send it me. Please add it in the group. Add it in the group. By the time, so people will get to know like how to do the designing things. So other students also they will get an idea. Okay. Fatima, did you finish the work? Fatima, Safia, Maria, please unmute yourself and please you have to talk.
Ma'am, I have sent it in the group, ma'am.
Okay. What about Aishwarya Reddy?
Ma'am, I just got the software yesterday, ma'am. So I'm doing till I'll just submit it by today.
Okay, okay. Safia, Anusha Lokesh.
Ma'am, I'll send it now.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just downloaded the software. I will send it by today, ma'am.
Okay. Who and all sent it me now? Who's that? Okay. What is this? Aditi? Aditi sent it me now. Sharuni sent it. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So all you people are very creative. So you people have very much interest in Photoshop. You can do some creative work. Aditi Susan, nicely did. And Anusha Lokesh, wow, nice. Anusha Lokesh did nice. And Aditi sended me this. Yes, nice. Okay. And nice. Okay, who sended this? Sharun Yam, you sended that with the eye. There is an image will be there. Who sended that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good work, good work, good work. So you can use the feather also. By the time you can use the feather, so what happened? That merging things will be there. Aditi, you can also use the feather. That half of the face you take and no. So their edges should become more soft. It has to merge with that face means you can use a feather like 5-10 pixels you can give feathers. So by the time, okay, then who's this? That blue color pond something did somebody did no that one blue color with the ship. I'm not able to understand. Oh, okay, it is a bulb, correct? It's a bulb, and who did that? Who did that? Sophia did that. 719. Who sent this image? Blue color dress with that sky background will be there. Yes, you have taken 3 different backgrounds. Okay, nice, nice, nice. So which tool you people are using for this? Which tool you people are using? Polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool?
Polygonal, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. So I will share my screen. All you people are very creatively you are doing in the first class only. Nicely you people are did. You people have interest. Somebody who's sending me assignment, I feel always happy. Because okay, they are following my class. Okay, you people can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who asked me that today I have a class or not? Aditi, Sharun, somebody is asked me. Okay, Sophia, you asked me, do you have class? Yeah, Monday to Friday you have class every day, 4:30 to 6. Okay, I'll go to file new. Everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll take the new file.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which tool is over? This one, rectangular mark tool and elliptical mark tool is over, right? So you have to give the feather for this. Okay, next lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool. Okay, I will show some of the example. I already cutted some of the images. So any of the images, please take some difficulty images and you have to do the collage work. Okay. So today we will learn how to use the layers. Okay. So layers are very important thing. So I will take some of the images. So how to make nicely collage? Like you should, whenever you are doing the collage works, you should show that it should look natural. So I will do something. I will go to here. Yes, I have some pond image like this. See, I already cutted this image, this kind of pond image. So I'll see where I could place, where it is placing. Okay, any of the image. So what I will do, see. So whenever you are moving from one image to another image, so you have to cut this image nicely. You have to remove the background of this image. So what I will do, I will use the magnetic laser tool or polygonal laser tool. Okay, easy tool. I will tell you how to cut the image. Easily how to cut this. Now I have to remove the background. Everybody is listening, right? See, any background is there, I have to remove it. Easily I have to remove it. In Photoshop, we have many of the tools are there which we can remove the background and we have to edit it. Okay, can you see here? There is an option here, magic eraser tool. Can you see the magic eraser tool? Please write down the tool name, eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Please write it down. Eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. Okay, everybody is writing correct. So eraser tool, I will use the eraser tool. See now what I can do. I will go to the layers, window layers. Please write this option also, window layers. So it is there in first layer, index layer. So I am trying to erase it. It is not erasing. Check the settings and all. Okay. Here there is a opacity is there. Always whenever you use the tool, okay, there is a opacity option is here. Okay, so you can increase that. Any tool, when you are using any tool, if you click on any tool, the upper menu, there is a property window here. Okay, so in the property window, always you will have options like how you are using this tool. Rectangular mark tool, elliptical part tool, you have add to selection, subtract selection and feather, what are the option it has come now. So like that we have a tool called here magic eraser tool, background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. So I'll go to this eraser tool, opacity, some changes people will do, so that time please make it yourself, it should be proper always, opacity and the flow. Okay, opacity is nothing but the transparency. Opacity is nothing but the transparency. Okay, so what I will do, now what I want it actually, I don't want any background in the back side. Okay, this is the easy option compared to polygonal laser tool. It is very easy option, but it is not a permanent option. Okay, this is not a permanent option. Always you should learn the polygonal laser tool. Why? Because it will cut to the all edges and all smoothly, nicely. It will only cut using the polygon tools. Eraser tool, just roughly you can erase it. Roughly you can erase it and see. Okay, so now which tool you have to take? I have to reduce the brush size. Can you see there is a circle option is there? So that is a brush. Can I see? I show you here. Look at here in the left side there is an option here, brush. I will reduce the size of the brush slowly and slowly wherever how much ever you want. See, it will completely erase it. So I'll make it Control Z. So slowly what you have to do, you have to erase it. Slowly you have to erase it. So compared to all these tools, what I am saying, always polygonal laser tool is very important. You can see now I am not able to do with the eraser tool. So I have to use the magnetic tool. Otherwise I have to use the polygonal tool. Any tools I can use it. See here, I will cut. So this much area I don't want. So only that stone part only I want it, right? So what I will do, I will select how much ever area I want. Everybody is following, right? What I am showing you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, slowly what you people have to do. Slowly you have to select the area. Okay, select this much area. Now I don't want this much area. So what I should do now? I will delete this area. So what I will do? I will go to this move tool and I will unlock the layer. I will delete it. So now what happened? It is come with the separate. Okay. So this much area, whatever the extra background which is having in this, that is completely deleted. So I used two different tools. So always we cannot, we are learning this magic eraser tool means we cannot neglect this polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool always it is important tool only. So what I will do, I will go to this tool here, wherever I want any sceneries I will take any of the sceneries which is having like this kind of background. So I will go to here, I will keep it like this, both the things, and I will go to this move tool and I will add it. This image having some problem. Let us see whether I can copy from one file to another file. If it is not moving from there to here, let me check with the other image. Yes, it is moving. There is a problem with the image. Okay. So I want to remove the background immediately. So now it is having the plain background. Correct. It is having the plain white color background. So what I will do, I have to remove it very immediately. So you people are used lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. So this is also very important tool because it will apply for the colorful background. Colorful background we cannot use the other tool. So that time we have to use the polygonal lasso tool. So what I will do, I will go to the background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. First I will go to the magic eraser tool. Okay, if I click on here with the white background, can you see that? What happened? So it is completely removed everything. So completely remove the background. End of the day, we have to remove the background. And I will, using the move tool, you have to exit from your tool. And I am adding here. Okay. So then what we are using to scale the image? What is the tool we are using to scale the image? Which tool? Ladies, girls, please tell me which tool we are using to scale the image? Control?
Plus T.
Control T, yes, Control T plus T is not there. Control T, according to this, we have to make it the size. Okay, still what I am saying, if you zoom with this part, can you see? This is become cutted because of the white color. So already this color, we cannot use the magic eraser tool for this. So we have to use the polygonal lasso tool. Okay, wherever, because magic eraser tool, it is very easy. But like it will not come the clarity. Okay. So magic eraser tool, it will not give the final output. If I do here, click on here, automatically it will erase it. See, wherever the small points are there, it will erase it. So like that, wherever the white part is there, there also it will erase sometime. Okay. Here you cannot give any feather. Here you cannot give any feather. The roughness will be there always in the edges. You cannot give the feather for this. Okay, I will just drag and drop it. So you have to create the collage work like this. Like this only you have to create the collage work. You have to join 2-3 images and you have to create the collage work. Control T. You can make scaling of image. See, all are coming with the different layers now. All are coming with the different layer. See, now I want to send it back. Send it back means what I should do now? It should go back of this. What I have to do? What I have to do? Tell me. Fatima, tell me what I should do now. I will bring it down. So layer 2 to layer 1. Okay, so what happened now? It is going back of this. Okay, it's looking, we have to show that it is sitting somewhere far. So we have to make it somewhere here and we have to send it down somewhere. So means something is very far means it will not look that much bigger in size. Okay, it will look smaller size. Okay, Control T. Little bit bigger I'll make it. Okay, smaller size only you can make it. Okay, wherever you want. Okay, so always you have to use the polygonal lasso tool. Then what else we can add for this? Okay, so again I will use the magic eraser tool. See, eraser tool, what happened? It will remove the background here. How much ever this area is there, it will erase it. Only it is a temporary. This is also one option, but it is not the main option. Actually, again I will go to the background eraser tool. So background eraser means it will make it transparent. This is the transparency. Whatever the things, text things you are seeing, that is the transparency options. See here, there is an option of transparency. There is an option of transparency. Okay, so transparency options you can use it. Okay, otherwise you can go to directly here magic eraser tool. If it is a single color background, then you can use the magic eraser tool. So somewhere it is not having the clarity here. Shoe has been cut. All those things are there. So immediate any of the works you have to make it means that time you have to use the magic eraser tool. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will just drag and drop it. Okay. Control T. See, clarity also not there that much. I'll make it small. Okay, zoom tool. There is a tool called zoom. Just zoom it. See, the clarity is not there. So using the magic eraser tool, you can erase it. How much ever area you want. Later you can erase it. Okay. So eraser tool. Using the eraser tool, that small changes and all you can make it. Using the eraser tool. Okay. See, now all are in a different layer. So all are in different layers. Okay. So like that you have to do the changes. Now all are in different layers. Okay. In the layer 0, there is a background layer. If you don't want this background, you can hide the background. This is there is a eye tool. Can you see that eye tool? Please, everybody should answer. There is a tool called here eye drop. There is a tool called hide and unhide tool. Okay, this is hide and unhide tool. If you don't want this layer, you can hide it. Okay, if you want to do any arrangement of layers, you can make it like this. Okay, see this magic eraser tool, it will not apply for what? It will not applicable for. Please answer everybody. All are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Here we go to magic eraser tool. See, it will not applicable for some of this kind of backgrounds. It will not applicable. See, what happened? This is the problems you have to face it. or this according to the colors it will take. If it is a single color and is dupatta also in a color with both the colors are merging, right? So that time you have to select the lasso tool. Neatly you have to select this, and what options you have to give before doing this. See, you have to use the polygonal lasso tool. Then you have to give the feather. Okay. So feather you have to give here. Feather 0 pixel is there. So how much you have to give the feather? How much you should give the feather? I will add some background. Any background I will take it. I will add the image. So what you have to do? You have an option here. Okay. Give some feather. So that's why what I'm saying, before taking itself, what you have to do? You have to give the feather. So we have an option here. I'll take the polygon lasso tool. Before itself, give the feather here. Give some 5 points, 5 pixels feather you give it. So go to here. Any tool you can select it, polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tools, whichever you people are comfortable. So you can select it. So I will take little bit area and I will select it, and I will select it like this. See, automatically I given the feather. Otherwise you can give it once again. 5 pixel you can give the feather, and I will go to this move tool, and you can drag and drop it. Okay. So now what happened? This edges and all, it will become smooth. Feather is not applied. At least minimum. If you zoom this, then you will get a soft edges. Soft edges and all you will get with this feather tool. Okay. So you can give 5, 10 or 15, any of the things you can give it. So in the first class, in the last class I showed you people, you have to use the feather tool. Polygonal lasso tool, you have to use the feather tool. Okay. All are there in the class? Husna?
Yes, ma'am.
Maria?
Yes, ma'am.
Tia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How many students are joined? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anusha, Lokesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sharun also there. So magic eraser tool, it's very easy tool, but compared to whatever the tools we are using, this one, no, polygonal tool, laser tool, you have to practice with that tool only. Okay. So we have to take I will take this road image. So then I will go to this car image. I will go to here. There is option here, magic eraser tool. Okay. Magic eraser tool, what happened? Easily it will cut. Neatly, end of the day, we have to remove the background of this. Okay. So what I will do, I will keep it here, this car image. Then I will go to here using the move tool. I will just drag and drop it. Okay. I will close the file. I don't want this file now. I will use Control T. Control T. You have to reduce the size of the car. You have to reduce the size of the car according to the scenery. You have to reduce the size of the car. What is the option to make a duplicate of this? See, zoom in, and if you want to remove the shadow, then go to magic eraser tool and you can remove the shadow of this. So you can remove the shadow of this slowly, and for this you can use the eraser tool. If you want the small things and all, you can use the eraser tool. Okay. Control T, you can make Shift Alt. Shift Alt you have to press, and you have to increase the size of that. Shift Alt. So what you have to do to make a duplicate copy of the layer? Right click on this layer 1. There is an option here, duplicate layer. Did I teach it in the last class? This option?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right click on this. Please write it down. Right click on whoever not written in the last class. What you have to do? Right click on the layer 1. There is an option here, duplicate layer. Okay, duplicate layer. So now what happened? The same thing, it will come here only. So what I will do, I will keep it here. So Control T, now you have to rotate this file. So what you have to do, right click on this, flip horizontal. This I have teased in the last class. So flip horizontal. Okay. So Control T, Shift Alt, you can reduce the size of the car. So you can show that, you can bring it down here, layer 1, and you can show that one car is this side, one car is that side. Control T, you can reduce the size of this car. Otherwise, you can make it in the back side of this car. Otherwise, right click on this. There is an option here. One more time, flip horizontal. There are two cars will be there. That also you can show it. Somebody removed the mountains or something. People are did right. So please try to do something like that only. Instead of mountain, you can keep here one palace or something. So those kind of things and all you can remove it. See here, you can. I'll open this one. This using this what is that? Rectangular mark tool. This much area I will select it. Okay. I'll go to this move tool and using a move tool, I will just drag and drop it here. Control plus plus, control minus. If it is a good quality image, so what happened? It will come in a bigger size like this. So what you have to do? Always you should not do the changes of the sizes. Image sizes and all you should not change it. Okay. Now what I will do? I will keep the palace. I want to keep the palace here. So what I should do now? Sharon, can you tell me what I have to do? How to arrange the layers now? How to arrange the layers? I want to match with this. I want to see the hills also. I want to see both the things. What I have to do? Can you see there is an option called rotate? Sharon, anybody can tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
how to make the layer arrangements now?
You have to take layer 2 and place it for layer 1, ma'am.
It has come up. I have to send it back now. Layer 2, I have to send it back means I have to send it down. Correct? Back of this, I have to send it. So I want to see the place where I can place it because I want to see the hill also, right? So both the things I have to see means let me check what I can do. I'll press control. I'll press the control key and control key for the edges and I'll use the eraser tool now. So I will go to the eraser tool and and there is a opacity will be there. I will give 50% opacity for the eraser tool, and I will increase the brush size here little bit. I will give the increase the brush size, and slowly I have to merge with the sky. The sky I have to merge it, and I want to see the hills here. Okay. Later, if you want, you can scale the image. And this side also you can erase it little bit. Okay. So if so many layers are there, all those things also no problem. You can press this single point you have to select, means you have to press Control. Please write it down. Any of the options you are not able to understand, please write it down. See Control, and you can adjust the thing like this, and see here small works you have to use the eraser tool. So eraser tool, what you have to do, you have to reduce, because 100% opacity if you give means it will reduce everything, it will erase everything, only the feather kind of effect should be there. Okay, there's the fog will be there something, so only the, like you can place one more building or something, otherwise this much area also you can erase it. Okay, so it should look natural. Okay, it should look natural. If we remove this car also, see here, it will look natural. You can see many of the film shoots and all this editing, all these things, it will happen like that only. So they will place the palace, they will place the backgrounds and all, they will do some different backgrounds they will give, like this. There they will cut the palace from different place and they will add it for this. Okay. So now naturally you can place whatever the images you want. You can place it. Control Z. See, whenever you want to move the file, you have to select the layer and you have to move it. Okay. You want to show it, this car is coming from very far, means you can show it like this. You can make it little small and you can show it. It is very near. You have to select that particular layer and you have to okay. Anybody having any doubt? Usna, are you there? Mani, this Maria, you are coming first class. You are there in the last class also.
No, ma'am, this is my first class actually.
This is your first class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Maria, you have to watch the video, whatever we sent it, no? In the last two class, please watch that and follow, okay? Whatever we are saying.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm showing with the different example. End of the day, I am repeating all the tools, okay? Because see, I have started the new tool, means that doesn't mean that I'm not telling the whatever the tools which is happened in the last class. Okay, I'm telling that tool also. Okay, I'm telling that tool also. Okay. Okay. Next, anybody having any doubt about the magic eraser tool? See, somebody did like this, correct? In the last class, somebody show me this image. This somebody is cutted this bridge. Which tool they used? This thing, polygonal laser tool. So you have to cut this bridge. Somebody cutted the bridge like this. See, whenever you are cutting the bridge or something, you have to carefully, you have to observe. It should come neatly. One girl, she did with the swimming pool image. So whatever the things are there, it should come naturally. Okay. See, now I selected this much area. So roughly I have selected. See, feather is applied for this. See, feather I already given. Feather is applied for this. See. So edges and all, it is become feathery. See, now what I will do, I want to adjust it according to the road. See, already road is there wide, correct? From here it is wide and it is going, it will narrow. Control T. I will press control to each point. I will adjust control to each point. Okay. So only one image you have to do the changes. Not all the images you have to do the changes. Okay, only one image you have to do the changes. Okay, now here the this points and all, you can erase it using the eraser tool. You can erase it, whatever the things you don't want. So that part you can erase it. See, how much ever you want, you can erase it. So then it will come naturally. See, that will be this much and all naturally. See, then now the grass and all these things, it will get matched. See, only how much ever you want, you can erase it. See, after bringing from there to here, so you can, how much ever you want, you can erase it. Control plus, control minus for zooming thing. See, you can make it broad. Okay, if the image is having good quality, you can bring it. So I will go to the eraser tool, and eraser tool is to give the perfection of the work, because you have to make the adjustment. So that time we have to use the eraser tool. Okay, you can adjust it. You can send it back also. You can send it back. See, the hints will come front. You can send it up also like this. Okay, any of the things you can do the change. So what I want is, for next class, I want you people have to do the collage work using 2-3 images. You have to do at least, like now I have taken hills are separate and the buildings are separate, and you can create a water over here, and you can put some plants or trees or animals or something. Okay, like that you have to use the 4-5 images to make the collage work. Okay, all are getting? Fatima, is that okay? Fatima, Sharu, Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
is that okay what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Safiya, which tool is which tool you put it? All tools are comfortable for you? Sharunyam,
Yes, ma'am.
magic eraser tool, you can use it. Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am. It is easy, ma'am.
Okay. I have this image. So let me check whether I can place the wings or for that this image. Where is the colorful wings I have? This is like cartoonish wings. Let me check whether I can place it or not. I will use a magic eraser tool. So then I will go to here. I will take the wings. Let me check whether I can join it for this lady or not. I'll close this file. So what is the problem? Now I have to send it back. So how to send it back, this image? Now I want this background also. I don't want to disturb this background. See, I want this background also, I want this lady also, but I want to place the wings for this background. I want to send these wings to backside of her. Okay, tell me what is the idea I have to use it. Anybody can tell, please unmute yourself and please talk. Tell me anybody. Anybody? Maria, Husna, Safia, anybody? You have to talk. Sharon, you have any idea? Please tell me. You people have did nice work. So you have more ideas. Please tell me.
Created
Huh.
layer, ma'am.
What I should do?
Duplicate layer. Maybe we can create it, ma'am.
Duplicate layer. If we will do the duplicate layer, no. How it is possible? If I take the duplicate layer of this background, this girl. See, now I will tell you the polygon laser. Now what I have to do? See, this is one file. This is one image. I want to separate this girl from this background. So what I will do? I will go to this polygonal laser tool and I will just zoom it. I will select it. I will use the polygon. Here it is. I don't want to remove the background because I want the background. I want to add one extra part. Okay, one addition I have to do, but it should look natural. Okay, so what I will do, I will select this image nicely. I'll zoom it. Okay. I'll zoom it because you cannot use the zoom tool simultaneously. So always whenever you take like this, it will go to the other side. See, automatically it will go. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut Control plus. See, otherwise, see, it is going like this. So whenever you're taking like this, so what I will do, I will click on here. So wherever I started, so what I will do, so I have selected this girl. Okay, I have selected this girl. What I will do, I will separate from this girl from this background. So what I have to do, I will select this background layer, then I will press Control J. Control J. Now what happened? See, Control J. I have given more feather. Feather, already feather is taken so much. Okay, 5 pixel feather we have already given, no? So what I will do, I will go to Control J. So what happened now? So now both the layers are separated. Now two layers are there, one in between another. There are two girls are there. So one is in this layer and one is in this layer. So in between I have to add the layer, this one. This feather layer I have to add it. So what I will do, I will bring the layer 1 to down here. Got it what I did? not understand, I will explain one more time. Okay. So this is the output. So now what I have did? So this feather layer I have placed in between. Okay. Okay. Now Fatima will explain me how to do it. Everybody understood whatever I did? Whoever not understood, I will show different example. Please tell me. You have to unmute yourself and you should talk. Everybody unmute and please answer me. Anusha, Fatima, Aishwarya. Please unmute yourself and you should talk. Sharon M. Safia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. You understood whatever the procedure I shown people?
Yes, ma'am.
How to do it? Which tool I'm using? Aishwarya. Which tool I have used it? See what you have to do? You have to select this. Okay, tell me. Who's talking? Who's talking? Tell me. Which tool I have to use for this? Safia? Anybody should talk. You people are doing nice work. You people have to understand, right? Tell me, Aishwarya. Aishwarya is over. She told something. Sharon? Aditi? Yeah, Usna, tell me.
Polygonal lasso tool.
Yes, polygonal lasso tool, you can use it.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima? Aditi? Aditi, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there, Aditi? Yeah,
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
how to do it. How to do it?
I use polygonal lasso tool and then Control J.
Control J. Please write that option. Control J. See here now we are not removing any background. We are not placing one background to another background. Nothing. We are not doing any background. One image only we are separating. I want that background also. I want that character also. So what we are doing? We are separating in the same image only. We both are separating. We are separating two. We are making it to two images. One single image we are making it to two images and we are placing some of the things for that. Okay. You can cut any of the things actually. Any of the things you can cut it and you can place it something else. See now what I will do. I will go to this polygonal lasso tool. I will select this layer and I will cut this much area. I will go to here only. I will select this background layer and I will cut this much area now. I will select like this. See, I don't want this much area, should be like this. Okay. Slowly you have to select this area. See, already 5 pixels are there. I'll make it 1 pixel. And I don't want this. I will delete it. So what you have to do? If you want to delete it, you want to make it separate also, you can make it. Otherwise, I don't want this area means I'll open this lock, double click on this lock. Can you see here when there is one lock option is there? If I want to delete it means it will not directly, it will not delete. I will unlock this lock. I will double click on this lock and now this lock is removed. I will delete it. Okay, I want to play something else. So what I will add? Let us see what I can add. This image water something I can add it, but it is not working. I think these images are not supporting. These images are not supporting. Let me check. So I will go to here, to any of the background. I'll close the file. Rest of the files and all I'll close. I'll just drag and drop it here. I will select this one. How much ever area I want, I will select it. That much only I will select it. Now I want this water means what I will do? I will select it. You can use this tool also. What is this? Rectangular mark tool. I will select this much area only. With mud also I can select it. So I will go to here and I will go to polygonal lasso tool. Look at here now. If you have to place only the, say I'll send it back. Only this water you need it means water you can place it. Only waves you want you can add a waves. Only the muds you want you can add the mud. So now I already placed it in the background here. Background layer I have placed it. Otherwise I want to make it small. Control T. You have to scale the image. Shift Alt. You can reduce the size of this. See, anything you can make it. See, you can, if you want to the water, you can place the water. Okay. If you want this place the mud, you can place the mud. Okay. So like this, you can do the changes. Otherwise, I want this layer after this means it will come like this. Till here it will come. Slowly, you can wherever, whichever the parts you want, you don't want, you can use the eraser tool. For this only, naturally it should look means I will go to here and you can use the eraser tool. See how much ever you want, that much area only you can use the eraser tool. See now it will look like water is still there. Okay, till that wall water will be there. Okay. All your creativity you have to use it. How much ever you want full water, you want so many things, everything you can make it yourself. So I want creative work from you people. Okay, let us see who are there. I want to take the attendance. All are available or not? Message me, chat with me. Yes. All are available. Please unmute. All you people unmute yourself. And I want to ask. Okay. All. They should answer me here. Okay. Aditi, can you tell me what kind of images you want to do? Who and all there in the class? Please message me. Maria Joshita is there. Anusha Lokesh is not there. Anusha Lokesh, you are not there. Charun Celesta is there. Anusha, she's there. Okay. Anusha, tell me what kind of image you have to work with. What kind of images you have to work? Did you like what I did the assignment? You people are liked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the assignment I did?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to do some creative work like this. Okay. So cutting the images, because it is an image editing software. So always you have to use the images and you have to cut the images, crop the images, paste the images, all those things you have to make it. See, before what we did, we cut the images and we changed the background. Correct. So now next to using the magic eraser tool, we deleted the background. Using the magic eraser tool, we deleted the background. Now I need the background also, I need the character also. So what I used it? I selected the image and used the Control J. Correct. I used the Control J option. Okay. So using the Control J, you can add multiple things. For one image only, you can add multiple things. Okay. You can take your photo only and you can make it this kind of wings, crown. So many things you can add it for this only. Okay. So for one image, you have to think like afterwards what else I can add it for this. Where I should cut from the different image and what I should add. Okay, so you can add this jewelries, you can add it. Okay, any of the things you can add it for this. See, I have some flower images. So I have cutted these flower images. I will add it. Let us see it will apply or not. Oh, background is there. This is the flower image. Okay, so I will hide all the layers. I don't want any layer first. I will hide the layer. I will use Control T, scaling the image. But what is the problem is, which is having the background. Already which is having the background, I will use the magic eraser tool and I will remove the background. See, everything is in one click only. You have to press left click. You have to select the background tool and you have to use the magic eraser tool and you have to click it here. What happened? Its complete background is gone. So now whatever the things we are hidden, that I will on. So I will select that particular layer and I will go to wherever I want. I can place it over there. Control T and make it small and place it in the water. See, now you have to send it back means you have to send it here. So it will go here inside like this. Okay. Now you can take duplicate copy of this. Right click on this lotus layer and I'll take the duplicate copy of this. Okay. Again I will add some more here. Okay. So like this you can take the duplicate copy of this layer and you can add some more. Like this. Right click on this. Again, how much ever you want, you can take the duplicate copy of that. Okay. See, how much ever you want, you can take it. And rest of the things, if you don't want like this, you can select that particular this thing and you can erase it. If you don't want means, you can erase it. Okay. Like this you can do it. Okay. Again, if you want one more duplicate layer, one more volume. Okay. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Maria, what kind of images you like to work on it? What kind of images you like to work? Maria, can you tell? What kind of images you have to work on it? Maria, can you tell? Safia, SM, can you tell what kind of images you like to work? Anybody should answer.
Images of good quality.
What? You have any idea, right? I want to make this kind of collage works, all those things. Which one is like you like to work on it? Aishwarya, anybody can tell?
Yes,
Who are Anusha, Sharon, anybody can tell.
Any nature pictures like that, ma'am, or
Ah,
hanging.
okay, while I'm doing, anybody is getting any idea that we can do this kind of images, all those things? What else I can add for this image? What else I can add? What else I can add? Can you please think? What else I can add for this? I'll zoom it, see whatever the areas I want, I will zoom it. Otherwise, one easy option is there. I will show you people. So what I will do, I will select some of the area. Now I want only this much area. What I will do, I will select this much area only using the rectangular mark tool. So what I will do, I will selection using the selection tool. I will just drag and drop it like this. Okay, Control T. So it is a very good quality image. That's why it is coming in a big size. So it is a very good quality image. That's why it is coming in a bigger size. So Shift Alt. Control T. So I have created so many layers. Okay, I have created so many layers. So we have to check where exactly it should go before the wings. Correct. Now see what happened. There's so many things I have created. See, the palace went completely backside. So now it will look, yes, only this is the thing I wanted. So now I want this, okay. Now I want this, the bench. I want the bench in this image. So what I should do, I will go to here, polygonal lasso tool. I will select whatever the image you want to cut. So always you have to select that much area. You have to select that much area, not the background. Only this much area I wanted. So what I'll do, I'll go to Control J. Control J means it will cut, it will select that area and automatically it will come here. Okay. So now what happened? Okay. So it has come here. Control T. This is just a collage work only. You feel little complicated, but the thing is just a collage work only it is. I'm using so many multiple images I'm using. That is the only thing I'm doing. So multiple images I'm doing. So you people in the first class only, you people did a wonderful job. So, but what I'm saying, what I'm doing, that kind of collage works you have to do, which is suitable for everything. See, this is suitable for everything. The wings are suiting, and the palace is suiting. All the things are suitable to this background. Okay. So, if you don't want, it will not look nice, means you can remove it later. Okay. So like that you can you can add multiple things. See now how many layers are there. This is one layer, and the palace is one layer, and the wings are in different layer. This bench is in different layer. So we have all this lotus are in different layer. So like that we added multiple things to one image. So next class I want to work like this. Okay. Everybody is getting, I want to work like this in the next class. Okay. I want the lady with the palace, with the wings, and the water, and the desert. All the things are there in this only. So if you want, reduce the size of this means, I will go to Control T, and you can reduce the size. So before that, what I have to do? See, now I have to reduce this lady also, and I have to select this layer, and I will reduce the size of this. See what happened? Now I have reduced the size of this. But in the background, I have already cutted the image. So I have to match with that also. So here I can reduce little bit. Okay, I will go to Control T, and I will select the wing layer, and little bit I can reduce the size of the wing. Okay, so now it is matching to everything. Okay, now it is matching to the complete background. Okay, I will save the file. How to save the file? File, save as, which is in the format of PSD format. So you have to write what is the tool name, anything you can make it. Otherwise, you can write it collage work. Otherwise, any posters, anything. Okay, any of the things you can make it. Collage works, you can name it poster work. Otherwise, you can write the name of the tool. By the time, whatever the tools you have practiced, that will be remembered. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? You have to save the file. File save. This is the PSD format. See what is the format? So you have to make one folder in the desktop. You have to keep all the images and whatever the works you did, everything you have to keep in one folder only. So what I will do, I'll file save as everything. It should be there in the. You have to make one folder name called Photoshop class. Okay, Photoshop classwork or something. So you have to keep everything in that folder only. So what is the final output? Final output, I will save it in the format of JPG format. So what I'll do, I'll go to File, Save As in the format of JPG format. Can you see here JPG format? JPG format. I will save the file in the format of JPG format. So it will take the same name. Same name it will take, whatever the images you given, and when you save the work, it will ask the quality of the work. You give the automatically, it will take the maximum quality. Okay. See whatever the works I have saved here in the desktop, I will made a folder called Photoshop work. In that I have two files here. One is Photoshop work. Yeah, two files are there here. See here. Where it is? Photoshop work. See here, this is the Photoshop, this thing, Photoshop the source image, this is the source image, and this is the final output, and this is the final output. See, final output means JPG image format. Anytime you can open the file and you can send it me. Okay, you can open, you can show me the final output like this. You can save it in the JPG format and you have to send it me like this, final output. I want 2-3 images which is combined together, and it should merge and it should match properly. See, everywhere feather you have to use it. By the time it will match with that. Okay. Anybody having any doubts, you can ask me. Fast. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Sharun, tell me.
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubt, ma'am.
You can do it, right? This kind of collage work. Fatima, you have any doubt? Aishwarya Reddy? Aditi Susan?
No, ma'am.
Maria Joshita?
No, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. Husna Kazi, you are there, right? Husna Kazi, you came now?
No, ma'am. I've been here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.